but the accuracy of the data collected has improved significantly, resulting in safer and more efficient operations. Moreover, the use of drones has also minimized the potential risks associated with manual data collection, such as accidents and health hazards, significantly enhancing the safety aspect. Evidently, AI-powered drone surveys have proven to be a game-changer in mining operations, offering remarkable benefits. Let's recap on what we've learned about AI-powered drone surveys in mining operations. Firstly, we took a look at the traditional methods of data collection in mining operations. These methods, while tried and tested, have proven to be inefficient in the current age. They are time-consuming, labor-intensive, and expose workers to a variety of risks. Not to mention, the quality of data collected can often be compromised due to human error. Then we introduced the game changer, AI-powered drone surveys. These high-tech solutions are revolutionizing the way data is collected in mining operations. They are faster, safer, and more efficient than any traditional method. Not only do they reduce the risks associated with manual data collection, but they also provide high-quality, accurate data that can be used to make informed decisions. We also discussed a case study that illustrated these benefits in a real-world scenario. A mining company that switched to AI-powered drone surveys was able to reduce data collection time by a significant amount, increase worker safety, and improve the quality of the data collected. This case study serves as a testament to the immense potential of AI-powered drone surveys in mining operations. In conclusion, the advent of AI-powered drone surveys has brought about a paradigm shift in the mining industry. They have made data collection not just faster but also safer and more efficient. AI-powered drone surveys are not just the future of mining operations, but the present, making data collection faster, safer, and more efficient than ever.